Corona is spreading non-stop, and hope you all have taken the homeopathic preventive. And not only that, that's not enough. Masks are very essential, and masks prevent the droplet infection. And not only that, just imagine somebody has sneezed with corona, somebody who has the infection. Not only this virus, I mean all the viruses. Somebody has sneezed or coughed outside. People have not stopped that habit in India. And suppose you are near him, social distancing is very much essential. Still, suppose somebody is traveling near you and sneezing, and just the virus will remain in the air for some time. So even if airborne, it's airborne or not, the disease is airborne or not, mask will protect you against the virus if it is coming in the form of a droplet or direct. And the mask should be that good that virus is surely kept out. And medical masks are there, N95, now they are using N99, surgical mask, etc. Whichever the mask is, you should wash your hands before using it and after using it. And especially caretakers of patients who already have the disease, and patients who are over 60 and who have other pre-existing conditions, they should be double careful. They should use a really good mask. And before wearing the mask, inspect the mask for any if it is broken or any flaws. Just see if it is broken, like this. See, it should not be broken, and it should not have holes. It should not be old and used many times. Then what's the use? Virus will enter through inside, no? And identify which side is inside and outside. Don't change the sides. And while removing it, no, remove it like this. Don't like this and all. Don't remove it by the loop. And the mask which covers your nose, mouth and chin, that's a bust. And if suppose, I've seen many people removing it till chin and then speaking out. When we meet somebody, or even in TVs, we are seeing many people coming and sitting and talking, removing till here. And suppose the virus has touched here, there are some viruses here, and when you keep it back, the virus will enter your nose. So never do it. Or if suppose you are using cloth mask, better is to tie here. I would say it's better to tie behind the head. Okay, suppose you are tying in the ear also, it should cover fully, and partially you should remove it. And middle you should not touch it. Even face you should not touch. Even specs you should not. Suppose accidentally you can't help touching it, or you touched, wash or sanitize your hand first. Otherwise mask will be of no use. And after each use, wash your hands, take it out, wash your hands. Then if suppose it's surgical mask you are using, and sanitize it and keep it in sunlight, and don't use it for 3 more days, so that if suppose any viruses remain inside that, let it go. And cloth mask especially, don't use the same mask daily. Suppose you are a person who go outside daily, at least keep 3-4 masks with you. Change and use. And cotton mask should not be like this. See, you can see from one side you can see the other side. If so thin, virus also can enter inside. It should be thick. It should be at least 2-3 layers. And suppose you are having sneezing or any allergies, or simply also for protection also, you can use a tissue paper inside while you keep. Suppose you sneeze and dirt is there, it will be only in that paper. That paper you can easily discard, not like cloth. So use filters like that. Never use fiberglass materials inside. It will cause anoxia. Oxygen won't reach inside. You can't breathe, I mean. So take care what all you use and what material you use, and how the mask is it damaged or not. And come back, now wash it with hot water if it is cloth mask, and keep it separate. Don't keep it arranging with the clothes which you use usually. And I've seen people with lot of hair and the mask is not fixing properly. That also won't help you. So better is to keep the face clean and then wear a mask. Okay, if this much and all you do, the mask will be of use to you. Otherwise it won't be of any use. Viruses also will enter inside, and any germs will not enter inside. And it doesn't mean that you need N95 mask. Cloth mask is also okay, but it depends on the way you use it. Thank you.